The question is, a converging length of focal length 20 cm is placed between an object and a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm as shown. The final image will be, now we have a converging length whose focal length is 20 cm and the concave mirror has focal length 10 cm. The object is kept on the left side of the mirror and the lens, whereas the concave lens is placed between the mirror and the object. As the focal length of converging lenses 20 cm and mirror is 10 cm, and the distance between lens and the mirror is 60 cm, whereas the distance between object and the converging lens is 40 cm. So the image formed will be coinciding with the object of same size inverted and real, as the lens is converging and the mirror is concave. So the image formed will be coinciding with the object of same size inverted and real. It will be of something like this, coinciding with the object inverted and real.